Hello, Vipers! For today's What's the Flow, we are going to talk about the new design to tasks. And so, this updated design for tasks makes it much more straightforward to distinguish between the two main kinds of tasks that you have, which are open tasks and completed tasks. And you have an easy switch right here to go between the two kinds. And basically, the punchline here is that open tasks are to-dos and completed tasks are things that you have done. So if we're going to, for instance, log the fact that we just called a prospect, we would want to make that into a completed task. So we could say, give it the subject line of, say, called bugs. And then under details, we could give the details of the call. Completed date and time. By default, it's going to be right now. But if it happened sometime in the past, you could easily change the time. Create reload to create that task. Now, an open task is a to-do. And so this is where we would say call bugs back. And then under due date and time, you can select the time that you want this to be due. Also note that when you switch back and forth between these, it'll switch between completed and due dates. And then create and reload to create the open task that will serve as a reminder to complete something. So I hope this helps.